Hello guys, welcome back. Let's start designing the exterior environment. Add a cube by pressing Shift A. Add a cube. Tab into edit mode. Scale as scale. Go to the side view. SZ to scale in the Z axis. And let's scale in the Y axis a little bit. Okay. And let's scale in the S axis a little bit. Still a little bit. I'm going to add bevel modifier to this. Increase the segments to 3. Reduce the amount to at least 4 to make a stone. Go to Objects, set origin to geometry, tab into edit mode, select this object and move. Then scale in the X axis, SX in the X axis. Scale again in the X axis. Move. Then duplicate this and Shift D to duplicate this. Then Shift D again to duplicate this. You can scale this a little in the X axis. L, X, X, X. Then Shift D to duplicate. Scale this in the X axis. So I'm going to select this by pressing L. Then Shift D to duplicate this, bring it down to somewhere there. I'm going to L to select. I'm going to scale this in. Oops. L to select. I'm going to scale, bring this out. L to select, bring this out. L to select, bring this out. Okay. L to select, bring this out. I'm going to scale this in the X axis. Bring this here. L to select. Oops. L to select. I'm going to bring this here and scale it. Scale. L to select. L to select. Select this. Now to select, bring this somewhere there. Now to select, bring this somewhere there. Now to select, scale this in a bit. Bring this here. Then down to select, bring this here. And out to select, scale this as in the X axis. Out to select, bring this in. Scale this X axis to randomize this. I'm going to select this L by clicking L. Oops. I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to increase this a little bit. So I'm going to select this. Now, so I'm going to select this. And I'm going to scale in the Y axis. Bring this to the edge a bit. Okay. Going to scale. Going to scale in the Y axis. Scale in the Y axis. Okay. Bring this out a little bit. Bring this out a little bit. Select this, scale in the Y axis. So I'm going to do the same for this one, L, to select. So I'm going to scale in the Y axis. Break it out. That makes sense. Shift S, set origin to set cursor toward origin. Add a plane by pressing Shift A. Add a plane I'm going to scale this plane up, then go to top view by pressing 7 on your numpad. So I'm going to go to the side view, bring this down to at least there. So I'm going to scale this again. I'm going to bring this out small. So I'm going to scale this again. So I'll go to top view by pressing 7 on my numpad. I'm going to scale this up, then bring it forward a little bit. I'm going to scale in a little bit. I think that's too big. I'm going to scale in a little bit. So I'm going to then go to tab into object, tab into edit mode, subdivide this plane. So divide this plane, add subdivision surface modifier. Okay, I think that's okay. Then let's apply this subdivision surface modifier. Tab into object mode, apply. Then we have something like this. So I'm going to subdivide this again. Oops. So I'm going to scale this up. Then tab into object mode. You see, it's not really looking that, it's not really giving us that shape, but I think that's okay for what we are going to use it for. So I'm going to go to sculpting, then switch this to clay trips. Go to clay trips. Then hold Control. Oops. Turn off this ditopo. Then F to scale. F to scale again. Scale this off. F to scale this. And I'm going to hold on this Control. Oops. I think the strength is too much. Control Z. Bring this to at least 7. I'm going to hold Control. F to scale. Increase this. Oops, that's too much. F to reduce this. Then hold Control to create a path. F to reduce this. Create a path. Okay. Then increase this area. So it won't just be on a plain background. Let me increase the strength a bit. Oops. tips. So I'm going to bring this down again by holding control. Sorry about that. I'm going to reduce the strength. Holding control, bring this down. And you can increase this. Okay, I think that's looking pretty cool. That's looking pretty cool. If you want, you can make this a little bit curve. Everything depends on how you want it to show on your screen, on your scene. Everything depends on how you want it to be on your scene. So I'll go back to layout and drag this. Okay, oops. I'll go back to layout and shade this smooth. Oops. Let's just shade smooth. But I think I still need to bring this down a little bit. Go back to sculpting. Hold control and bring this down a little bit. Increase F to increase. Hold control and bring this down a little bit. Turn on level 2 and bring this down a little bit. I think that's looking better. Then let's go back to layout. Oops. So you can actually do this manually. You can actually do this manually by using proportional editing and tabbing into edit mode, selecting any face and select any face and extrude up. Oops. And select any face and extrude up. Using proportional editing, you can actually do this. So if you don't want your system to lag, if you don't want it to hang, if you just want to do it manually, you can just add many subdivisions to your plane and use proportional editing. Select any of these vertices or multiple vertices or single vertex and scale this up. Bring this down to create this scene, to create your scene. So I think this is too high for a... This is too high, so I'll bring this down. Same with this one, I'll bring it down. Select these faces, go to top view, C to select, scroll your mouse to increase the size. So I'm going to select these vertices. Then press escape to turn off this selection mode. So I'm going to press C again, then hold Shift to deselect this, scroll to reduce the size, then hold Shift to deselect, then Escape to turn off this mode. Do I want the grass to appear here? Okay, I'm going to press C again, scroll to make it small. Oops. C to the Shift to the select, bring this down and bring this. Okay, I think that's cool. So I'm going to go to vertex group, go to object properties data, then go to vertex group, add a group. You can rename it. So I'll rename this grass, then assign. Scale it out and bring up a little bit and scale it in. Yeah, it's somewhere there. Add another plane. Shift A to add another plane. Let's scale this out and bring this down. And bring this back. And bring this up. Alright guys, in our next video we're going to add materials to our scene. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope to see you there.